Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Shandong machine. Today, I give you an introduction about our complete unit of hammer mill. As you can see, this is the main machine hammer mill, the connection pipes to the cyclone, the airlock, the connection pipes to fan blower, the connection pipes to the dust collector. And this is a complete unit of hammer mill with electric motor 55 kilowatt, the capacity 1 to 2 tons per hour. This is the input hopper for this hammer mill. So you can put any kinds of raw material size less than 2 centimeters. Also the wood chips, agriculture waste. And inside this hammer mill, you can fit a different size sieve, the size from 2 millimeters until 16 millimeters. So you get a different size final product. We also have a different capacity hammer mill, the electric power from 7.5 kilowatt until 250 kilowatt. With a different capacity. This hammer mill with an easy football door and easy for maintenance work. So you can replace the wearing hammers and sieve to save the labor work. Okay, everyone, if you like Longze hammer mill, please send your inquiry to our team. Trust Longze machine, trust Longze quality. Thank you. Bye-bye.